Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome back to Higa's Corner. I am Philip Higati, your host, and today we're diving deep into the exhilarating journey of finding your purpose and passion in life. Now, before we jump in, let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like you're just drifting through life without a clear sense of direction or purpose? Trust me, you are not alone, but fear not, because today we are going to uncover some powerful insight and practical strategies to help you discover what truly lights you up inside. So, where do we begin? Well, let's start by debunking a common misconception. Finding your purpose isn't about stumbling upon some elusive aha moment or waiting for a lightning bolt of inspiration to strike. It's a process, a journey of self-discovery and exploration. Now, I will share 3 steps to help you in finding your purpose in life. 1. Reflect on your passion and interests. What activities make you lose track of time? What subject or topic do you find yourself constantly drawn to? Whether it is painting, cooking, or even astrophysics, pay attention to what ignites your curiosity and enthusiasm. 2. Dive deep into introspection. Take some time to journal or meditate on what truly matters to you. What are your values, your strength, your wildest dreams? By getting in touch with your innermost desires, you will gain valuable insights into your purpose and what drives you forward. 3. Take action. Finding your purpose isn't just about navel gazing. It's about taking intentional steps toward aligning your life with your passion. Whether it is signing up for a class, volunteering, starting a side project, don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Remember, clarity comes from engagement, not idle contemplation. And there you have it, my friends. 3 simple yet powerful steps to help you uncover your purpose and passion in life. Remember, the journey may not always be easy, but it is always worth it. So go ahead, embrace the adventure, and let your passion guide you towards a life filled with meaning and fulfillment. Thanks for tuning in to Higa's Corner. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay curious, stay passionate, and keep chasing those dreams. This is Philip Higati signing off. Thank you.